Cloud CRM is a customer workflow management app that's completely integrated with the customer's app on Clover. Cloud CRM enables merchants to completely modify and customize the object of customer to closely match the type of customer they service. Here's an example of that. Let's pull up a customer. This is a normal customer form, and you can see there are some first name, last name, street and such. So I'm going to click on edit page, and this is where we can basically say what fields we would like to be present, or what fields we would like to be in the off position. So let's just make some of these optional, city, state, like so, and then let's just take everything else off, click on save, and click on save. So when we create a new customer, these are the fields, these are the only fields that are now available, except for some other user-defined fields. And user-defined fields are the ones that are created by merchant themselves. They can be absolutely any kind of fields, and there are several types of fields that we can work with. Text fields, numeric fields, date fields, yes or no fields, drop-down lists, images, and radio buttons. We've already pre-created a few, one for picture and the other one for the lead source is a drop-down list. Both are turned on as optional, so we can take a look at them at the actual form now. There is the lead source, and we have some predefined values which were entered by user previously, Google walk-in and TV ad, and we have the take picture, which takes the picture. So as an example, I'll click on take picture, whatever's in front of the camera, I'll take a screenshot, say OK, and now this is the picture. Let's go ahead and pick our walk-in as a lead source, and we can save this field. So that's how you can customize. Last name is required. Just put yes. Save. Fill in all the fields. All right, real quick. All right, so our third record is created. And also we have these customer types. So customer type is also completely modifiable. So for example, here we have individual, we have a company, we have a contact underneath the company, and we have some other ones. Now let me show you how we can modify these. There's a button here to each one that basically says edit. You can obviously create the new ones, but let me go ahead and edit the ones we have. So I've changed these, for example, to a lead. School. Inside the school we have faculty. I also created the government and vendor customer types. So I'm going to quickly save. And so now when we're creating a new customer, it's going to ask us, what is the customer type? Let's say that it's a school. So off we go to the customer form, which is again also completely customizable by managing these fields here. So once you've created the customers here, they will propagate into the customer object. Therefore, you'll be able to use them there as well. While you're using customer cloud CRM, you'll be able to completely control and modify the fields and the form to your liking.